All right, guys, 2024 Chevy Colorado. Got the 2.7 liter turbo. Let me show you guys what we've done. We have another one on the channel that has the Black Widow. We'll see if we can tag it. But this one, we did a little something different on it. So it's got the huge cat up there, right off the turbo, and 3-inch pipe. Then we cut the muffler and resonator off and tailpipe and ran 2.5 all the way back straight pipe. He wants to hear that turbo whistle. So hopefully we can give him that by doing this. So it's fully straight pipe other than the catalytic converter, as you guys can see, custom bent out the back. And then we finished it off nicely with a 4-inch tip black right there. So there it is. Stay tuned, guys. We're going to let you guys hear it. Hope you guys like it. There's the muffler that was on it. It's huge. And the resonator that was on it. So we took all that off, cleaned it up for him, give him a nicer, cleaner look. Stay tuned, guys. Now it's got some tone. At least you can hear something. Rev it one hard, rev and stop, like take it off. Let it just idle all the way down. Oh yeah, that's nice. I like it. One more. Yeah, you can hear that. All right, go ahead, sound decibels. Again, you can't see. So it's right at 98, I guess. One more. Yeah, right at 98. That sounds good. The whistles at all the girls going by. Go ahead and back it up. You guys don't know, this is our beautiful shop in Nashville, Tennessee. We're located at 3560 Dickerson Pike in Nashville. You like? Yes, sir. I like it. Sounds good. Let you guys hear on the inside. Fully straight pipe. I love the whistle on that turbo. That sounds phenomenal. 2.7 liter turbo. Enjoy, guys.